Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. So many of you inboxed me over on my Instagram and my TikTok asking me where to find something that I posted. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to find all the links that I post and so much more. So stop scrolling. If you haven't already downloaded LTK yet, you're missing out on the best deals. If you love Amazon finds, holiday trending must-haves, you need this app. And trust me, you're going to want to download this before Black Friday hits. I'm going to show you the easiest way to shop. If you're new here, hi guys, I'm Tory. Over on my LTK, I post the best deals every single day, and this is where you can shop all of them. LTK is totally free, and it is the easiest way to browse all my finds, get inspiration, or shop things that you've seen me post. So let me walk you through it. If you're watching this from my Instagram, click on my bio, tap the LTK link. It'll ask you if you want to download the LTK app or browse from the browser. If you're on my TikTok, go to my bio, tap LTK, and it should automatically open the browser. You can also download LTK from the App Store. First, you're gonna head on over to the App Store and type in LTK Shopping App. It looks like this right here. Go ahead and click download. Once it's downloaded, tap to open, and up in the top you'll see the search bar. You'll type in Creations with Tory. Click the little plus sign to follow, and that's it. Super easy. Now let me show you what you can find over on my LTK. I share everything from home decor, favorite finds, seasonal finds, trending products, electronics, gadgets, basically anything you're looking for, I've probably posted it. I'll also let you know when brands drop big sales, like Macy's 40% off events, Walmart's Black Friday deals, Amazon price drops. I've got you covered. And the best part, I post several times a day, so there's always something new. So right here, you'll see my trending post. You'll see holiday gift ideas, beauty must-haves, Christmas decor, tech deals, and so much more depending on the season. Below are my collections. This makes shopping super easy because I grouped everything by category. So if you're looking for gifts for him, gifts for her, tech deals, festive tablescapes, Sephora gifts, Black Friday deals, is all right here. Just tap the one that you want and everything you need is organized in one place. And here's the best part. You can hit the little heart icon to save things that you're interested in. And LTK keeps all your saved items together, and it'll send you a notification if something that you hearted goes on sale. Where else are you gonna get that automatic deals alert? Scroll down a little bit more and you'll see my most recent post. You can also tap the video tab to watch my video content, or the products tab. The products tab shows you every single item that I've linked all in one spot. So if you're hunting for something specific, just come here and browse the whole list. And if you're looking for something in particular, you can use the search bar to look up keywords like gifts, Amazon finds, beauty, tech deals, and LTK will show you posts from other creators who've linked those items. So what are you waiting for? Download the app, follow me, and then comment below with a heart emoji so I know that you're following and you're ready for all my inspiration, all my deals, and so much more. Comment below and tell me what you're looking for. I'll find the best deals for you and I'll post them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.